Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download Yuzu emulator on PC from their official website. So first thing, we open their official website. You can copy this link or you can just write Yuzu emulator and open the first website. After that, you go on installation, you choose Windows, then you go here and click visit from here. Then you choose your system. I will choose Windows. You click on here. Then you will find this downloads button. You just click on it and wait until they generate a link for you. After that, just click on download and then click download. Then you should have your file downloaded. Just install Yuzu emulator. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.